Hello everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to get solar electricity from electronic scrap. Let's do this. It is a known fact that you can draw electricity from a lot of electronic devices. You can get electricity from antennas through a phenomenon known as atmospheric electricity. You can get chemical electricity from batteries, and you can get electricity from motors through motion. Some of these topics I will cover in future videos, but for now I'm going to be talking about solar electricity. Usually you would be able to draw solar electricity with a solar panel, but what is less known is that you can get solar electricity from certain types of transistors, LEDs and diodes. So today I'm going to test it and see if it is feasible. On my first test I'm going to be using this 2N3055 transistor. By cutting open the cap we can see a little piece of semiconductor material inside. Looking closer, you can see a metal striation over the semiconductor material. Connecting this to my tester and hooking it up to the emitter and the collector, you can see that we get a little bit of voltage from the ambient light. Shining a laser on it increases the voltage. Putting the tester on amp mode, we can see a little bit of current being produced. So let's see how it performs in sunlight. I'm going to use this magnifying glass to focus the sunlight. From this we get about 0.65 volts. So is it a feasible solar device? No. For my next test I'm going to be testing this germanium diode. I pulled it from an old power supply. On closer inspection, we can see two separated semiconductor materials covered with glass. We seem to get about 0.4 volts from it. It does not seem to perform any better than a transistor. Next up is a LED. I tested several different types of LEDs, and I could only get voltage from this green LED. This LED seemed to give the most promise as it produces around 1.5 volts of power with a laser. Testing it in sunlight with a magnifying glass, we get 1.6 volts. But unfortunately, the current being produced is not significant. So what does this all mean, you may ask? You will probably not be able to draw significant electricity from these devices, but in the case of the LED, you can probably use it as a cheap light sensor in your projects. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in a bit.